This is a quick video to show you how most printers get set up on a Mac. Most printers these days come with built-in AirPrint. And so when you're ready to set it up, make sure it's plugged in and turned on and joined to the same wireless network as your computer. And then go into System Preferences on your Mac. Look for the word Printers. And then if you push the plus button, and if it has AirPrint turned on, it should just show up in this list here. It'll say Bonjour Multifunction. And clicking that almost always finds you the correct driver. And the correct driver for AirPrint is just Secure AirPrint. And then you can say Add. Now if your printer doesn't have AirPrint, if it's older it might not, then there might be a few extra steps. But this is usually all you need to do to get a Mac working with your home printer. If it doesn't have that, then you might need to download special software from the vendor and install that before clicking the plus button.